thought that would be funny.
And though I've had this feast before, my darling, I do admit for you I'm starving, living for too long in poverty. And now my heart needs to caress, possess my deep and sunken chest with love every time you look at me. Oh, Penelope, are you listening to the words that flow from the cemetery? And will I be in your league when we're underneath, my dear Penelope? Because none of that really happened, scribbled down on dirty napkins, doesn't make it fictional to me. Between every character I imitate and love song that I emulate, the metaphors teach me who to be. Oh, Penelope, are you listening to the words that flow from this cemetery? And will I be in your league when we're underneath, my dear Penelope? Oh, Penelope, are you listening to the words that flow from the cemetery? And will I be in your league when we're underneath, my dear Penelope? My dear Penelope.
Yeah.